Stop scrolling. Your boring room is about to get a glow up. In this video, I'm showing you easy teen room craft ideas that you can actually make at home using stuff you already have. Let's get into it. This moon lamp is made with nothing but tissue paper and glue. Once it lights up, it looks straight out of a Pinterest board. Perfect for anyone who wants soft, dreamy lighting in their room. And the best part? It costs almost nothing to make. Just roll some air-dry clay into coils and stack them up. Add a couple of clay flowers and you've got the cutest desk decor ever. It's such a simple project, but it instantly upgrades your whole desk. You can literally make one in every color you love. Don't throw away your old jeans. Turn them into a wall organizer. It's the easiest way to keep your desk clutter-free and stylish. Plus, it gives your wall that cool, aesthetic streetwear touch. It's a genius way to recycle something you'd usually throw out. This wall grid is perfect for pinning up your favorite photos. You can swap the pictures anytime you want a new vibe. It's basically a mood board that keeps changing with you, and it makes your wall feel personal without any commitment. Roll up old newspaper into thin sticks and shape them into a guitar. It's basically free wall art that looks like it costs a fortune. And honestly, it makes such a great statement piece above your bed. No one will believe it's made from old newspaper. Save your empty soda cans instead of throwing them out. Glue them together like this and you've got the coolest wall piece in the room. It's random, it's fun, and it's guaranteed to get everyone talking. Definitely one of the most unique ideas on this whole list. Cut cardboard into blocks, string them together, then paint it up. This jointed Spider-Man figure actually moves and poses. It's such a fun way to turn leftover cardboard into a real toy. You could even make your whole favorite superhero squad. Same trick, but cuter version. Draw a little face and add a bow. This tiny cardboard buddy is way too adorable for how simple it is. You can literally make a whole squad of these for your shelf. Each one ends up with its own little personality. This one is on another level. Clay teeth and a tongue on an energy drink can. It genuinely looks like something out of a horror movie prop shop. Collect a few colors and line them up for the creepiest desk display. It's definitely not for the faint of heart, but it's so cool. This frame is designed to look exactly like the old MS Paint app. Such a fun, nostalgic way to display your photos. It's giving early 2000s computer nostalgia in the best way. Such a clever idea for anyone who loves a retro aesthetic. Roll your sticky notes into little tubes and stack them like this. You end up with a rainbow pen holder that costs almost nothing. It's such a satisfying craft to watch come together too. Perfect if you're someone who loves pastel desk setups. Build your own desk calendar using just foam board and glue. It's a small project that keeps your whole desk organized, and you can customize it with any colors or theme you like. It's a simple way to stay productive and cute at the same time. Paper phone with a pull tab. Pull it out and it reveals a hidden photo. Such a cute gift idea. Honestly, this one is perfect if you want to surprise a friend. It's such a thoughtful little handmade present. tissue paper around fairy lights and shape them into little ghosts. Once it's dark, these turn your room into the coziest, spookiest vibe ever. It's such an easy way to add warm, glowing light to any corner, perfect for Halloween or honestly just any time of year. Twist brown paper into branches and add torn tissue paper flowers. Hang it along your wall and it instantly feels like a fairy-core dream room. It's the kind of detail that makes your whole space feel magical. Such a beautiful way to bring nature indoors without real plants. This cloud case is filled with tiny LED flower lights inside. When you turn it on, it looks like a glowing flower field in the sky. It's easily one of the dreamiest lamps you can make yourself. This one alone could completely transform your room's whole vibe. This mini street lamp is built piece by piece with a working LED inside. It's such a small detail, but it makes your desk setup look magical. Add it next to your fairy lights for the ultimate cozy corner. It's proof that even the tiniest details can change everything. Braid some cord around an old jar and turn it into a hanging vase. It's the easiest way to bring a plant corner into your room, and it looks amazing hanging right by a sunny window. Such a simple way to bring some life and color into your space. Decorate a plain box with pearls, a tiny mirror, and cute stickers. This trinket box becomes the perfect spot for all your jewelry. It's the kind of craft that makes your vanity look 10 times cuter, and it keeps all your little accessories in one pretty place. Cut out and glue together your favorite Sanrio character like this. These paper dolls look adorable lined up on a tiny display shelf. You can literally make your whole favorite character lineup. It's such a fun weekend project if you love collecting cute things. Draw the branches first, then dab on the petals with a sponge marker. This turns a plain fan into the prettiest cherry blossom art piece. It doubles as both a wall decor and an actual working fan. Such a peaceful, satisfying craft to sit down and paint. Build tiny drawers out of cardboard and doodle all over them. Add a small glowing nightlight inside, and it's basically a mini dream cabinet. It's the perfect final touch to organize all your little things, and it makes for the sweetest glow to end your desk setup with. Which one of these are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, and if you want part 3 of this series, hit subscribe so you don't miss it.